What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're headed back to our friends over at Luniche because last time we headed to that house, we tried a nice, sweet and fruity fragrance of a very popular DNA. No biggie. I thought the fragrance smelled great. The presentation was amazing. And today we're gonna give a fragrance a whirl that also has that sweet and fruity and playful DNA, just a little better in my opinion. The fragrance in question, this is Encore V. Yes, now when it comes to Luniche, the presentation is always top notch, especially in the Encore line. The bottle's heavy, really heavy, so is the cap. The one thing I will say is that with such a luxurious presentation, I'm a little picky. I'd like a pressurized atomizer, but I'm glad I got that in the year because this fragrance smells amazing. Let's go over the notes. So in Encore V, you're gonna have notes of apple, lavender, bergamot, and mandarin at the top, geranium, violet, jasmine, and cardamom in your mid, and in your base, vanilla, sandalwood, pepper, and patchouli. Now when this opens up, I get this bright and vibrant fruitiness, mainly a lot, and I mean like a handful of mandarin oranges with a slightly crisp apple, which is really nice. Now the lavender does play into it a bit. It's slightly aromatic and minty at the top, but where the really aromatic minty tone is in your mid now, and there it's full of different florals as well, but it maintains a slight warm spiciness that blends really well into the base. Now in the base, you get a creamy vanilla with a nice, slightly spicy pepper, as well as an earthy patchouli, and it makes this fragrance really nice. Now that opening is really strong. Now these are extracts, so the opening does last for a decent amount of time, but for a fresh and fruity fragrance, this stuff is an absolute beast. Listen, I've tried two from Luniche thus far, and both of them have been extremely fruity and playful, but this one I think is slightly better. That is Encore V. You guys have a blessed day.